If you think that you are safe from this AI wave, then I think you are wrong because AI is everywhere. AI is already there. It has already started taking jobs of many professionals, mainly who are working in the corporate professional. So let me tell you that AI is going to be there. You cannot resist it. You cannot uh, get rid of this. So the only thing that you can do is to learn AI, embrace AI, so that you are not impacted. I mean, there will be impact. If you are there in this situation, then you will be impacted. Either you learn AI and go up, or you don't learn AI and you go down. That's what is going to happen. So, as a professional, it is advised to learn AI. Now the question is there are so many tools and technologies in market, a lot of nomenclatures, LangChain, LLM, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Perplexity, Gamma, DALL-E, Midjourney, what to learn and what not to learn. That's creating a confusion, but take my advice, you don't have to learn so many things. AI tools are just like any other tool that we have been using, and I'm talking about the easy tools. For example, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, etc. The way we learned how to use Word, PowerPoint, Excel, similarly, we should be able to use AI tools. Now, the question is, how do I learn? How do I learn to use AI tools in the best possible manner? The answer is prompt engineering. If you learn prompt engineering, that is the first thing that you have to do if you want to get into this AI era, AI journey. The first thing you have to learn prompt engineering. Why? Because irrespective of any AI tool, it works on your prompt. The better your prompt is, the better result you will get out of the AI platforms. Now, is it very difficult to learn prompt engineering? Not really. It's very simple. There are a few parameters that you have to learn. There is a specific syntax that you have to learn how to prompt to any AI tool. That's it. Once you learn that, you are good. So to start with, learn prompt engineering. I received many requests to create prompt engineering course, but I did not do that. I mean, I just created a small 15 minutes video to tell you the basics of prompt engineering. And it is very easy. You can go through that in YouTube and start your journey towards AI. And it's not that you have to watch my prompt engineering video only. You can watch any prompt engineering video. And but my advice is you start with learning because if you don't learn, you will go down. That's for sure. So I hope this helps you, this information that I have just given, it helps you. So start learning.